Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure FluentU for engaging culture. Quick tutorials. To begin configuring FluentU for an engaging cultural experience, start by logging into your FluentU account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard where you'll find various options. Click on the settings icon, typically located in the top right corner of the screen. In the settings menu, look for the language preferences section to select your target language. Choose the language you're interested in immersing yourself in. After selecting your language, explore the Content Preferences section. Here, you can choose topics that resonate with your cultural interests, such as music, travel, or cuisine. Next, adjust the video settings for a more tailored experience. Consider selecting your preferred subtitle options to enhance understanding. Now, move on to the Learning Preferences tab. You can customize the difficulty level to suit your current proficiency. Read through the available options for speech speed to find what works best for you. Once you've set your preferences, save all changes to lock in your selections. Return to the main dashboard and start exploring the curated content. Engage with the videos and articles that align with your cultural interests. Make use of the interactive quizzes to reinforce what you've learned. Regularly revisit the settings to fine-tune your preferences as your language skills develop. Enjoy the process and immerse yourself in the culture you are learning about. With these configurations, your FluentU experience will be more engaging and effective. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.